is your question. If crowned Miss Bohol 2024, how would you encourage local communities to actively participate in the conservation efforts of Bohol as a global geopark for the benefit of future Boholano generations?
I'm gonna convince the community right here, right now, on our Miss Bohol stage, that the designation of Geopark is very telling of the undeniable beauty of Bohol and the rich culture of the Boholanos. So let's all be committed, because this is us, this is our culture, and we should be proud, so that we can be all aware and unanimous in showing the world the beauty of Bohol and ensuring the preservation for the next generation and for the rest of the world to enjoy. Daghang salamat.